So I will also request some of the members to please turn on their camera for them to also show that they really are focusing on the webinar. Okay. So welcome to our membership benefits orientation of International Marketing Group. So our company is a sister company of WSB, which is a US-based company. Okay, so WSB World System Builder, and then our company is International Marketing Group. So my name is Meltse, and I am one of the trainers and coach in International Marketing Group. I am a member of this company since 2015, and I graduated college 2005, master's degree 2008, doctorate degree 2013. Law school, I've been to law school for 2 years from 2021, and I'm part of the Regional Advisory Council of Philippine National Police. And I am already a CEO of International Marketing Group. I'm also a life underwriter, associate financial planner, and millionaire earner in International Marketing Group. So next, I would like to introduce to you our company International Marketing Group. Ano po ba ang IMG? So we are one of the biggest and fastest growing financial service company in the Philippines and in worldwide, no? So hindi lang po sa Pilipinas but worldwide po tayo. We assist people who want to help themselves achieve financial security through financial education and building a proper financial foundation. So if you want to be helped, no, na magkakaroon ng financial stability, financial prosperity, no, so you are in the right webinar. So we established partnerships with the biggest companies in the financial industry. Ibig sabihin po, kasi ang focus ni IMG is edukasyon, kung ano po ang mga konsepto na matutunan natin with the edukasyon na tinuturo ni IMG, nagkakaroon kami ng mga service providers, no, companies na fit in, no, sa mga tinuturo ni IMG, and sila po yung mga service providers natin. So we have been able to help thousands of associates take advantage of the IMG opportunity with a flexible time commitment and schedule, no? So we have a proven system that helps people build a successful business also. So ang dami-dami po nating pwedeng matutunan dito sa company natin. So our vision is to build a new financial industry where everyone is able to earn what the wealthy are earning by bringing the secrets of the wealthy to all, no? So financial education is not just for the wealthy, guys, no, it's for everyone. So therefore, we can really teach financial education. Hindi na kailangan na guro ka, hindi kailangan na nakagraduate ka ng kolehiyo bago ka makapagturo ng financial education, because actually in IMG, we can do that, no? Kasi may mga trainings po tayo dito. In fact, kung naka-attend ka na ngayon ng webinar, pwedeng bukas ituro mo na kasi ang dali-dali lang. So ang mission natin is to help create wealth for families, to make difference for families so there will be no family left behind. So when we talk about creating wealth, it's not an overnight activity. So there is no get rich quick scheme dito, guys. Iklaro ko lang po, no? Now, we are teaching people to create wealth, no? We're teaching people how to fish, not just give them the fish, no? So, inaasahan natin na, of course, hindi na tayo madali doon sa mga scam because, of course, alam na natin ang tamang edukasyon about finances. What we do, we help people move from dreaming to doing. We bring life-changing financial concepts and solutions to middle-income individuals and families who are overlooked by the financial industry. So dito, guys, binubura na natin yung sayang sana, no? So we are going to help Filipino people take action on the things that they wanna do, no? Kailangan talagang aksyonan yung kanilang mga pangarap. Hindi pwedeng hanggang pangarap lang, no? So that's what we are here in our company. So it is said, according to Bill Gates, if you happen to know him, no, the one of the richest, no, men, no, in the world. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake, no? So, of course, hindi naman natin kasalanan kung we are born poor, guys, no? Pero kung mamamatay tayo na mahirap, that is our fault na talaga, no? It's our mistake na talaga. So kailangan nating matuto. Hindi pwedeng mawawala na lang tayo dito sa mundo at hindi natin maaral, no, kung ano po yung dapat gawin para hindi naman tayo of course, guys, no, magstay the same of what we have before, no? Yung walang progress, walang mga improvement. Dapat meron talaga tayong improvement. So, ang mga ituturo ko po sa inyo ngayong gabi, guys, are coming from this book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future book. Become your own financial educator. So, it is said here at the back part of the book, financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. So, knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is more powerful. So, marami po kayong matutunan ngayong gabi, guys, but ang pag-apply niyan is up to you. Ako ay nagtuturo lang po, pero ang application sa mga matutunan nyo ngayong gabi is up to you talaga, no? So, wala pong ibang gagawa niyan kundi kayo lang. So, because we're having this financial education tonight, I will be giving you this question. Why do we need financial education? Bakit nga ba tayo nangangailangan ng financial education? Do you have any idea, guys, no, kung bakit tayo nangangailangan ng financial education? So before I proceed, pwede po bang mag-type kayo dyan sa chat box? O nga, bakit nga natin kailangan ng financial education, no? Why do you need financial education? Okay? So there might be a lot of answers in your minds kung bakit nangangailangan tayo ng financial education. But the next question is, are you familiar with financial education? Naranasan niyo po ba na when you were in high school, in college, or kung saan-saan man kayo napunta, at ilang taon na po kayo ngayon, naranasan niyo na po ba ang mag-attend ng financial seminar? No, kasi it's not usual, guys, na magkakaroon ng financial seminar. I'm very thankful, in fact, sa IMG because natututo po ako kung paano talaga ang pag-manage ng finances. Okay? So we need financial education because many people are practicing this what we called as saving the wrong way. So marami pong mga Filipino ang nag-practice sa pag-iipon ng maling pamamaraan. OFWs, teachers, professionals, seafarers end up with nothing after working 20 to 30 years because they did not know the power of the compounding interest. So, ang dami, do you agree with me na marami po ang mga OFW na umuwi na lang sila sa Pilipinas, wala pa ring ipon. And when they go back to the Philippines na wala silang ipon, of course, sino po mag-aalaga sa kanila when they get old? Wala po. Bakit? Yung mga family nila dito sa Pilipinas, umaasa lang din sa kanila. That is why, guys, meron na po ngayong bill na pinasa si Raffy Tulfo, Senator Raffy Tulfo sa Senate with financial education for OFW. Kasi Raffy Tulfo is part of our community IMG. He is our ambassador, no? So, if only people save 100,000 in the first 5 years of their work life, like from 21 years old to 25 years old, kasi nag-start na po tayo ng pagtatrabaho niyan before, they can retire at the age 60 and be secured with more than 6 million. Ang 100,000, guys, is parang dumadaan lang yan sila sa ating mga kamay, no? Pero if we know na pwede pala yung magiging 6 million, kahit po ay iniipon natin siya sa tamang paraan at tamang vehicle, then we have done it. We should have done it. But because walang nagtuturo sa atin, that is why wala lang. Wala tayong ibang magastusan. Meron nga akong kakilala, ay wala kasing mapaglagyan si Papa sa kaniyang pera, so binibili na lang ng ganito, ng ganyan, no? Kasi they don't know where to place their money. Filipinos are the only people in the world with 13-month pay. Saving and investing 5 years of the 13-month pay will be multi-millions in retirement funds if we all know how to save the right way. Ang dami-dami po, guys, na naka-receive ng bonus nung May. Meron na namang maka-receive ng bonus ngayong October at December or November. Pero saan po napunta yung pera na yon? Ang iba pinariban, ang iba binili ng mga ganito, sofa, salaset, no? Actually, guys, it's not for spending. it's for saving and investing. Kasi po, after na magre-retire tayo at wala na tayong kita, yung iniipon natin ngayon will save us in the future. 'Di ba? So, that's it. We need to know the right way of saving. So, hindi ta alam ang tama. So, now let's talk about the challenging future. But for me guys, it's not anymore future kasi Filipinos, and not only in the Philippines but people around the world are already experiencing challenges. So, hindi na to future. So number one, itong uncertain labor market. Huwag tayong mapakampante na ngayon meron tayong trabaho, meron pa tayong kita, hindi tayo naghihirap because there is what we call as uncertain labor market. Bakit po? Automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers, and manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut cost. So minsan guys, ang mga kumpanya nag-retrench ng mga trabahante, minsan ang mga countries hindi na po nag-accept ng mga OFWs. Minsan po ay hindi na kailangan ang human power or labor kasi meron na po mga machines. So ano po ang challenge niyan is kapag mawalan ka ng trabaho on the dot na hindi po kayo nakapaghanda, hindi kayo nakapag-ipon, then maghihikahos, makapangutang and etc. A lot of Filipinos or families are having these broken marriages because of financial problem. 'Di ba? So bigyan natin ng solusyon ito guys. That's why we need financial education. Number two, a lot of Filipino people are having low savings and high debt. Marami pong utang, malaki po yung utang pero walang ipon. Do you agree with me on that? So this poses a major impact on retirement. Many people are forced to work beyond 65 years of age just to survive. Most people don't know how to manage their debts manage them, no? So dumadami po yung utang. Hindi po yung sila ang nag-manage ng utang, kundi sila na po ang nakontrol ng kanilang utang. So like car loans, housing loans, salary loans, credit card debts are accumulated rather than investment. So based on senior citizen survey, guys, 40% sa mga senior citizen ng Pilipinas are dependent on children, no? So, and 20% are abandoned and left in the home for the aged. Tapos, 30% ng senior citizen are forced to continue working kahit po ay matanda na sila. 8% are relying on pensions, so only 8%, and 2% are financially independent. So, because of our campaign, which is educating 30 million Filipinos by year 2030, that's our mission today, we are having this mission na itong mga may pension, may retirement fund, itong mga nagdepende sa mga anak nila sa retirement ay kukunti na lang, no? So kukunti na lang yung mga parents na magre-rely sa kanilang anak, kunti na lang itong mga abandoned and left in the home for the aged, but dadami na po yung may pension at dadami na po yung may financial literacy. No? Number three, na challenges or challenge is the high cost of education. Of course, that is a very challenging part, guys, when the children will go to college. That is why po, alamin natin kung paano makapag-ipon ng tama na hindi ka maghihikahos by the time that your children will go to college kasi ang mahal-mahal po ng tuition fee ngayon. So do you know how much money you actually need to send your child or children to a good school in college? So ito ay based on, ano pa guys, statistics. So last 2016, in a private school, 1 million. 2016 pa yun we're already 2024. No? Ang public is 400,000. Again, this was 2016. Lalo pong tumataas ngayong 2024. The last but not the least challenge is the increasing cost of living. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito? If you can still remember way back 1990s or 2000, you can still eat a burger amounting to 30 pesos but ang laki-laki na. But ngayon guys, ang burger na 100 plus or 200 plus is already very small. Bakit po? Ang value ng ating pera ay lumiliit. Kasi ang mahal na po ng mga bilihin. That's cost of living or inflation. So, many people have difficulty in saving money for their needs. The sad part is when the major need arises like emergency repair, illness, tuition fee, and etc., their only option is debt. Do you agree? na kadalasan sa mga Filipino kapag merong mga pangangailangan, utang ang talagang malalapitan, no? That's the reason why we need to little by little, no? Earn, save and invest, learn how to save and invest, earn extra, wag mag-rely sa isang source of income kasi nga po, we don't like to, ano guys, have this last sort na mangungutang na lang because we really need money, no? So, cost of living doubles every 12 to 18 years. Example, if you bring 1,000 pesos noon sa grocery store, punong-puno na po yung push cart mo. But right now, if you bring 1,000 pesos to the grocery store, isang plastic na lang po yan. Ibig sabihin, lumiliit po ang value talaga ng ating pera. Now, what's the challenge nitong number 4? If you will retire 10 years, 20 years from now at wala kang ipon for your retirement fund, then who will take care of your retirement needs? Who will take care of your needs when you retire? Will you rely your retirement to your children? Kasi po, we cannot rely that our retirement for our children kasi they might get married and they have their own family to raise too, no? So, dapat talaga maghanda tayo, guys. So with financial education, we can face all those challenges. There is still hope. That is why that's what we do here in IMG. Okay? We give hope to people. No, so kung may kakilala kayo na problema sa pera, maraming pera pero hindi alam kung saan ilalagay, no, dalhin natin sila dito sa IMG. If you are this person or a person who has the heart to help other people, kasi mission-driven po yung company natin, then this is the right community for you. So, control your future. The future will not be in your hands, in the hands of your employer, union, government, bank, or broker. But yung future talaga natin is in our hands. So let's do it. DIY po tayo, guys. Do it yourself. Ibig sabihin po, wala po tayong ibang aasahan kundi yung ating mga sarili lang in terms of preparing for our future, no? Make money, save money, grow money, protect your money, no? So, be your own money manager, understand how money works, and make money work for you. So, wag natin asahan, guys, na tayo lang po yung magtatrabaho para sa pera. Let's make our money work for us kasi hindi habang buhay tayo ay malakas. If you're saving money today, you are buying a day tomorrow na hindi ka magtatrabaho. Kasi nga po, pinagrow mo yung pera mo ngayon, no? Ngayon pa lang, no? Alam mo na kung paano ang pag-grow ng pera. So again, become your own money manager and learn how your money works, no? That's through investment. So ano po ba ang ginagawa ni IMG? So that's what I love in IMG, guys. And if you think kailangan din ninyo na mabago itong structure na to sa iyong mga sarili, then you must be very thankful na nakapag-attend kayo sa webinar ngayong gabi. So what we do is, we help build a solid financial foundation for people. So paano nga ba ma-build ang solid financial for people, for every Filipino people? So like building a house, you must build it from the ground up. You start understanding with healthcare. Next is protection life insurance, elimination of debts, emergency funds, and investments. Well, guys, we are not selling insurance, but we're teaching people ano po yung mga needs nila or ano po yung mga products na ma-fit in sa kanilang mga needs. Kailangan maintindihan ng tao kung bagay ba sa kanya yung mga policies na yan, no? Ngayon lang, before we started, merong nag-chat sa akin, ma'am, meron kanina ma'am nag-alok sa akin ng IMG. Tapos ma'am, sabi niya sa akin, kung magbigay daw ako ng 1,000 sa kanya, after a week daw tutubo. So therefore, guys, ginagamit na po yung company natin sa mga scammers. That's why we must be very careful talaga. No, so look at this structure for building a solid financial foundation. Again, we are going to build it from the ground up. So to increase your cash flow or to build a solid financial foundation, kailangan muna i-increase yung cash flow natin. So, how to increase the cash flow? Ano nga ba ang cash flow? Cash flow is your income minus expenses. That's cash flow. So if you think your cash flow is okay, or if you think your cash flow is higher, then congratulations. But if you think your cash flow is negative, then you need this education from IMG. No, so how to increase cash flow is to increase income and reduce expenses. Ibig sabihin guys, cut expenses which are not necessary. Only buy things you need and don't buy things which just you want. No, yung mga gusto mo lamang, wag mong bilhin yon. So, next is healthcare. Bakit po importante ang healthcare in terms of building solid financial foundation? Very basic answer. Kung hindi ka nagkakaroon ng healthcare at darating ang panahon na magkasakit ka, lahat ng iniipon mo mauubos. Lahat ng property mo mauubos kapag wala kang healthcare kasi of course hospitalization can make Filipino people experience personal bankruptcy. So that's the difficult thing guys na mangyari, no? How about life insurance? Why is this very important? Now, in the other country, guys, insurance and healthcare is part of the expense, is part of the savings, is part of the investment. Lahat po ng tao sa Amerika at ibang bansa, meron talaga silang life insurance and healthcare. Only in the Philippines na wala. That's the reason why maraming naghihirap at maraming mayaman na naging mahirap because of the hospitalization, di ba? Now, life insurance is an instant replacement to your family the moment may mangyari na premature death sa breadwinner. That's the basic purpose, instant replacement. So, bakit instant replacement? Kasi for example, ikaw ay nagtatrabaho ngayon, may mangyari sa iyo, yung pamilya mo ay nagre-rely po sa inyo, sa income ninyo, tapos wala kayong ginagawa. So therefore guys, no, this will replace your income to them. Hindi na sila maghihirap if something will happen sa inyo. Next is managing debts. It's very important to manage debts before you can build a solid financial foundation because how can you invest? How can you save money if you still have a lot of debt? Na mas higher pa yung interest compared doon sa iniipon mo. Next is emergency fund. Kailangan itong emergency fund, guys, katulad ng mga bagyo, may mga famine na mangyayari sa ating buhay, kailangan ang emergency fund na hindi ka na kailangan magbenta ka pa ng property. At the same time, guys, investment, we are teaching Filipino people how to save and invest. Investment is of two kinds, solid and liquid. Solid is yung tangible, yung ma-touch mo yung mga like mga lupa, bahay, for rent na mga condominium, for rent na mga apartment, that's solid. Liquid naman on the other hands are mutual funds, no? You are shareholder of the different blue chips companies ng Pilipinas. You have policy of your healthcare, that's investment, no? So, therefore, guys, I will be asking you, kumpleto na po ba itong structure for your solid foundation? Kung hindi pa, ay no worries. Kasi we're going to give ourselves a time to build this, like 3 to 5 years, bago pa natin ma-build ang solid financial foundation. Hindi siya agad-agad mangyayari. Okay. So if you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate according to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of The Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So that's why guys, IMG is teaching Filipino people about financial education. Yung mga taong ayaw maging mayaman, ayaw din nila mag-attend ng financial education. Yung mga taong ayaw ma-scam pero hindi mag-attend ng financial education, they will end up still ma-scam pa din kasi hindi sila mag-attend ng financial education. So let's proceed. We are now in the era of the informed consumer. So hindi na po lingid sa ating kaalaman na social media is very ngayon guys, no? So siguro it's not anymore new na we can have everything DIY. Do it yourself na. Mag-shopping ka, DIY. Mag-booking kang ticket, DIY. Mag-aral online na. Pagkatulad nga natin ngayon. So, ito po yung platform ng IMG, by the way. So, we are going to be educated on all aspects of personal finance, have access to hundreds of financial products and services, receive training and support to manage our money, save money in various products and services, and earn commissions by sharing our knowledge to customers in this fast-growing industry. So you know what, guys? If you become part of our community and a company, and if you like to have extra income, you can become a freelance financial educator, freelance broker here in our company. No, so you can learn and earn in the financial industry. So we will be talking about the concept on how money works. Paano nga ba ang pera ay magtatrabaho para sa atin? Simple lang po ang sagot. Kailangan may pera ka na nag-earn ng interest. Example guys, meron kang sahod na 20,000 pesos in a month, pero meron kang investment na 500,000 or kahit magkano na ang interest niya ay mas malaki pa doon sa sahod mo, so pwede ka nang huminto sa pagtrabaho. We call that money working for you. Hindi kailangan na tayo magtatrabaho habang buhay. We let our money work for us. But ang question, paano? Saan po natin ilagay yung ating mga pera na tamang vehicle at tamang paraan guys for us to really grow our money. So we need to understand guys that in our life, there are two, guys, ito po yung mga mangyayari, no? While younger, we're generally less secure because itong green line na tinatawag nating wealth line is napakababa. At itong black line na tinatawag nating responsibility line is very high. So, ibig sabihin guys na kung bata ka pa, natural lang na wala kang ipon. But if you get old, dapat po ay mag-increase ito guys ang wealth line at bababa ang responsibility mo. That's why when you get old guys, no, marami ka ng pera niyan dapat. And why are we teaching people about this X curve? Kasi when you get old, it doesn't mean na wala ka ng trabaho at matanda ka na, hindi ka nakakain. You will still eat, you will still have clothes, you will still have your shelter, you still have you want to go somewhere, no? So marami kang mga needs. So dapat may pera ka na pinaghanda. So, what do the normal people know that, what do the wealthy people know that normal people don't? Ang answer niyan guys is the magic of the compounding interest. Marami po ang naghihirap kasi lahat ng kanilang pera pagkatapos ng sahod ay igastos. No, igasta, no, ispend. But don't you know that for you to become wealthy, you need to set aside or aside money na magtatrabaho or will earn interest. So, this is how to compute kailan po magdoble yung pera mo. Kung maglalagay ka ng pera sa 4%, your money will double after 18 years. Kung maglalagay ka ng pera sa 8%, your money will double after 9 years. And sa 12%, 6 years. So, paano natin yan kinuha? We have this formula, a rule of 72. 72 divided by the interest rate is equal to the number of years that it will double. Example, kukuha ako ng mga nasa audience natin. Si Ma'am Delia ay 4%, si Ma'am Jovelyn is 8%, and si Sister Cesar is a 12%. Same sila ng age, 29. Nag-i-invest sila ng tig 100,000. Tapos si Ma'am Delia nagkakaroon ng 200,000 when he or she becomes 47. At naging 400 po yan when she becomes 65. Si Ma'am Jovelyn naman, naging 1.6 million yung pera niya at the age of 65 kasi nasa 8% siya naglagay. And at the same time, si Sir Cesar got 6.4 million at 12% interest. Because mas malaki po yung interest rate ni Sir Cesar at ni Ma'am Jovelyn compare kay Ma'am Delia. Pero parehos lang po sila ng pinaglagay na pera which is 100,000 and parehos din sila ng age 29 when they started. So ang ibig sabihin lang neto guys, it would matter talaga in building wealth, what matters most are, number one, the amount of money you invested. Number two, the interest rate which your money is invested. Number three is time. Kung pag-usapan natin ang investment, hindi po yan bukas milyonaryo ka na. No, we need to wait for a certain time for that money to grow. Okay, so I hope you understand that. So do you know about savings and investment? Kapag nakarinig tayo ng savings or investment, ang savings, paano ako makapag-ipon, ma'am? Wala naman, hindi man po enough yung aking sinasahod. Kasi nga guys, mas marami ang oras na natulog compared sa nagtrabaho. Imagine, 24 hours we have. No? And 8 hours ka lang nagtrabaho. So meron kang 16 hours na walang trabaho. So paano ka yayaman yan? So kailangan more than 8 hours po yung magtrabaho ka kasi of course, para po ay meron kang pang-invest, no? So kapag makarinig din tayo ng investment, ang isang word na sasagip sa ating mga isipan ay yung scam. Bakit? Hindi sila nag-attend ng financial education katulad nito. Hindi nila alam yung tamang pamamaraan sa pag-ipon katulad ngayon. What are the factors in building wealth? Sinasabi natin dito, time. Sinasabi natin dito, amount of money. Sinasabi natin dito, interest rate. Sinasabi natin dito, tax. Kung palaging merong deduction sa tax, so hindi kaya yaman yan, di ba? Pero, kasi hindi nila alam na time is part of the building wealth, akala nila kung mag-invest sila ng 1,000 this week at magkuha sila ng it will double after 3 weeks is fine. That's a scam. Scam talaga yan kasi po, walang pera na tutubo in just a week. Kung hindi mo nilagay sa tamang investment vehicle. So that's why mas scam talaga sila, di ba? So, do you realize that the interest in savings account is currently too low to offset inflation and taxes? So guys, kailangan na ang interest rate ng pera natin mas mataas compare sa inflation. Kasi kung mas mababa compare sa inflation, you lose money every day. Imbes na gusto kang yumaman, lalo kang maghihirap because of the tax, no? So people will face the problem of living a long life without adequate income. So with understanding and proper preparation, you can build up your future retirement here with IMG. So ito po yung mutual funds, guys, for savings. Ito po yung recommended ni IMG. Don't you know that kapag membro ka ng IMG, automatic meron ka ng investment neto. Ibig sabihin guys, meron ka ng shares dyan sa Jollibee, SM, Ayala, Globe, PLDT, Meralco, BDO, no? So, automatic congratulations po sa mga members kasi automatic meron ka na niyan. So, bakit ito ang recommended namin? Kasi it is very legit. You can withdraw your money anytime. 20 pesos lang po ang minimum neto. So, professional po ang nag-manage. Yung pera mo nasa 10 securities, very liquid kasi you can touch your money anytime. Many varieties, low minimum requirement, 1,000 pesos only. It is very transparent kasi matrack mo yung investment mo. Safe and secured, walang interest rate, walang tax, at it is, of course, guys, zero load fee. So, dalawang klase po ang mutual funds. Merong tinatawag na direct, meron ding indirect. So, ang direct, ito yung stock trading. Ang indirect, ito yung mutual funds. Ibig sabihin sa mutual funds is maghulog ka lang ng amount, automatic na po ka nakabili ng shares. Samantalang sa stock trading, kayo po talaga mismo yung mag-trade. Anyway guys, I cannot tell that tonight because of course, ang laki-laki, ang dami-dami po ng topics ng IMG. Once you become member, lahat po ito ay free na po yung seminar natin, no? Kapag member na kayo ng company natin. So, I am just giving you overview of what IMG is teaching us. So, these are Ayala Land, Bellcorp, Cebu Property, we have SM, Robinson, China Bank, Metro Bank, lahat po, Meralco, Alaska. Ito po yung mga company sa Pilipinas or sa Philippines na tinatawag nating blue chips. Kapag member ka ng IMG, you have the privilege to invest in these companies through mutual funds. So now let's talk about life insurance. Ano nga ba, ma'am, ang life insurance? Well, hindi ko din ma-discuss yan sa inyo ngayon, but we have product training po sa company natin. Careful lang po tayo in terms of life insurance kasi minsan nag-regret yung mga tao in getting the life insurance policy kasi hindi nila naintindihan. So, ito po guys, many people lost a lot of money in buying life insurance products. They don't understand. So ang ginagawa po ng IMG is pinaintindi natin. We let the people understand kung ano yung mga life insurances dapat. So make sure you understand how insurance works and priced. Very important po yan kung ano po ba yung binabayaran mo sa life insurance. Dito sa IMG pinaintindi po sa inyo kung out of the 10,000 na binabayaran mo per quarter, saan napunta ang 5,000, saan napunta ang 2,000, and etc. It's very important because the cost of insurance is always charged to you. So, that is really the insurance part, guys. That's why, guys, no, kailangan mo maintindihan. Know what what insurance product suitably answers your financial needs. Bakit kailangan natin ng insurance? So, there are two ifs, guys, or cycle in our lives. Ito yung pagbata tayo at pagmatanda na tayo. Young and old. Kapag young, marami tayong responsibilities. having sufficient income to pay for your expenses, paying multiple various debts, paying your mortgage or rent, paying for your children's education. When we get old, you need a lot of money for all your expenses, hospitalization and etc., no? Retirement or pension, maintenance, caregiver, travel, leisure, new hobby, day-to-day expenses, living. Dapat when we get old, living on interest ka na, hindi ka na magtrabaho. Di ba? So, solution to the ifs of life, what if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? Life insurance. Instant replacement, sabi ko kanina. What if you live too long? Who will take care of yourself? The answer is investment. So, but the question is, meron na ba tayong investment? Ready na ba tayo sa retirement natin? O, diba? So, let's talk about the long-term care. So, long-term care, guys, is a complete one. If we talk about investment and insurance in the latter slide, dito naman, guys, sa slide na ito, we'll be talking about 3 financial solution. 2, 3 financial needs. So, number 1, lifetime income of a long-term care can provide you with income as long as you live. So, meron ka ng pension when you get old dito. Meron ka ding life insurance coverage. And meron ka ding healthcare when you get sick. No? Kasi ito po yung 3 financial needs natin. What if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? Nasagot na natin yan, life insurance. What if I get sick? The answer is healthcare. What if I live too long? The answer is investment. So, merong nadagdag dito, what if I get sick? Because bago tayo mawala sa mundo, magkakasakit pa tayo. That's why I wonder kung bakit ang mga Filipino, bata pa lang, meron ng St. Peter. Ay, hindi naman St. Peter yung need natin una, but the healthcare, kasi magkakasakit pa tayo. So, that's why maraming nagkanda utang because they forgot the healthcare. Now, the product which we recommend, kasi na-fit in talaga dito sa 3 financial needs natin, is itong tinatawag nating Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, no? Itong Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder 3-in-1. So, idagdag ko na lang, guys, that a healthcare policy has is of two types. One is short-term, and the second one is long-term. Short-term is yearly ka magbayad ng policy, yearly mag-expire, at walang money back. Magkasakit ka man or hindi, walang money back. Ang short-term healthcare, palagi ka pong magbabayad ng policy kada taon at hanggang sa 60 anyos lang tayo makapag-bili ng policy. 61 and up, wala ka ng policy sa short-term. Number 2 is the long-term, yung ating second type of healthcare, which is 3-in-1. Meron ka ng investment kasi yung binabayad mo sa premium ay isa ulit sa'yo with interest rate. Meron ka ng life insurance coverage. At number 3, meron ka ng healthcare. So this is, guys, no, itong na-highlight ng yellow are your 3 benefits sa long-term healthcare. Meron kang pension, return of investment, meron kang life insurance benefit, meron kang hospitalization benefit. So meron kang choices if you are 10 to 40, pwede ka magkuha ng tag 26, tag 29, tag 35, etc. It depends on what you need. Tingnan mo po tong return of investment because ito po yung pension when you get retired. No, if you're 41 to 50, dito na naman ang mga prices natin. Nag-start na siya ng 3529, wala na po yung 26. At if you're 51 to 60, nag-start na siya ng 4412. So, kompleto na po ito, guys. Na ito po yung monthly, quarterly, semi-annual natin na payment. Pero again, may isauli yan sa inyo with interest rate. Dito tayo titingin sa return of investment. Example, 5882 ang kinuha ni client. Nagbayad siya ng 369 spot cash for 7 years. Ang nakuha niya na pera is 1.1 million. Tapos 369 lang ang binayad niya. Meron siyang life insurance na 450. Meron siyang hospitalization na 60. So, hindi nagalaw yung kaniyang investment. Kahit po na hospital siya, meron siyang allocation, meron din siyang life insurance. So, this is the product for long-term care. So, let's talk about high cost of education. Well, the one we can recommend is our Manila Bankers Most 18 at the same time mutual funds. Pinaghandaan po dapat natin yung education ng ating mga anak para hindi na tayo maghirap when they get to college. So protect your future, itong mga asset preservation, ito po yung sino po yung keep ng inyong mga inheritance, no? So, sino pong kukuha sa bahay, sino pong kukuha sa pera, sino pong kukuha sa insurance policies, no? So, yan, ituturo din natin yan dito sa IMG, no? So, isa din yan sa mga tinuturo. Okay? If you're part of IMG, guys, no, you are representative of these companies. Ibig sabihin, guys, ang laki-laki ng companies na kapartner ni IMG, that is why hindi kami natatakot kung sabihin kaming scam. Walang scam. Kasi guys, we represent Kaiser International Health Group. Sino po ba ang kliyente ng Kaiser? We have Supreme Court, we have Senate, we have Congress, we have Department of Agriculture, and so many government mga offices and employees. And we are already more than 15 years or 10 years in the financial industry or the HMO company. We are accredited nationwide, no? We have accredited doctors nationwide. We are already in the top 5 in the HMO companies, no? So, tayo, kapag IMG member tayo, kung ano po ba ang need mo dito is you can choose. Example, need ko ng healthcare. Oh, dito ako sa Kaiser. Kung need ako ng life insurance, etc., educational plan, o dito ako sa Manila Bankers. Kung need ko ng investment, dito ako sa Raphverse, Solvivo, Atram. Kung need ko ng property like real estate, o dito din ako sa SMDC, Ayala Land, Ramper Realty. Kung need ko ng insurance ng sasakyan, dito ako. Kung need ako na magpa-legal consultation, meron din dito. So, ibig sabihin, guys, when you become part of IMG, you are part of the one-stop shop. Your business is a one-stop shop. Kasi nga, meron tayong negosyo dito sa IMG kapag member ka. O kung ayaw mo magnegosyo, gusto mo lang mag-avail sa mga benefit, then fine. In my case, at first, I love the education part of the IMG. That's why I joined. Gusto ko lang matuto. That's it. But I found out na pwede pala akong kikita. So I am a doctor of education and a teacher by profession, but I choose to be full-time in IMG. Because even if I show to you, no, grabe, mas malaki talaga ang kikitain natin dito sa IMG compare po sa aking pagiging teacher, no? So, ito po yung benefit kapag member ka. Una, investor ka na sa mutual funds. Meron ka ng shares of stocks doon sa Jollibee, SM Ayala, worth 1,000 pesos. If you are a member, automatic meron ka ng investment dyan sa Soldivo. Again, investor ka na sa mutual funds. Number 2, meron ka ng personal accident insurance worth 100,000 or more. So kung bago ka pa, you have accident personal accident insurance 100,000. So 1,000 investment plus 100,000 na accidental insurance, 101 na. Plus meron ka pang 50,000 for the fidelity or memorial. Kung may mangyari sa member, automatic makuha ng check or cash sa family, 50,000. Okay, so 100,000 plus 101 plus 50, 151,000. Okay? Next. Oh, dito pa, accidental death for, anong tawag nito? OFWs. 500,000, burial benefit, 100,000, 100,000 accidental medical reimbursement, acts of terrorism, like sa Israel, for example, or Ukraine, 600, unprovoked murder, 600, repatriation, etc. Ang dami-dami po ng OFW. Medyo mas mahal nga lang ang membership for OFW. Number 11, meron ka ng discount if you'll become registered associate financial planner. Number 12, unlimited check-up. So kung unlimited check-up ka, tag 500 per check-up, tapos unlimited lifetime, magkano kaya yun? Di ba? Meron pa tayong discounted medical services for the family. Kung ikaw ang member, yung family mo hindi, discounted pa sila ng check-up at the same time, discounted ng laboratory services. Next, meron ka pang worth 4,500 to 5,000 na eyeglass. So, magkano na lahat, guys? More than 200,000 na ata. Kasi, of course, itong unlimited check-up, di ba? Legal assistance. No, meron ka pang, ano pang tawag na ito? Personal accidental insurance na 20,000. Dagdag. Tapos, meron ka ng e-book nito. Magkano kaya to? This is ang edukasyon na matutunan mo dito sa number 18. Maybe 50,000. Kasi, 4 po na topics or 5 ang topics na matutunan mo dyan. Ano-ano po yon? increase cash flow debt management, building a solid financial foundation, building wealth asset accumulation. Ito yung mga stock trading, ituturuan ka. Retirement planning, and building a business in the financial industry. Sobra-sobra pa sa 50,000 ang dito, guys. And meron tayong mga video book. I have already my video book, no? So, ang nag-discuss sa video book ay Corina Sanchez, mga financial educators or gurus, no? So, hindi po talaga basta-basta yung ating company, no? We have a free insurance lecture or review, those who wanted to be life license. Meron tayong financial check-up, no? Meron tayong stock trading na access, lahat-lahat na yan. Number 33, no? Everest Memorial Service, kung meron kang 50 mil for your guys, memorial, meron din tayong partner na service. Meron tayong marketplace, anong hahanapin mo? Bahay, sasakyan, andito sa marketplace natin. Meron kang discount kung bibili ka ng sasakyan, discount kung bibili ka ng mga properties, discount sa mga insurance mo sa sasakyan din, Then, you have a business. I love this number 41 kasi yan po ang rason kung bakit nagpo-full-time na po ako as financial broker because of that number 41 benefit. I love the number 42 the most kasi I've been to a lot of countries already. Ma-Asia man siya, mapa-Europe, mapa-Middle East, no? Guys, we have been there already. So, ang dami-dami na po naming napuntahan na countries because of IMG. And many of that trips are free. So if you have the passport na wala pang tatak, I think it's time for you to join IMG. Then, a world-class recognition kasi this is a business. If you love to do the business, guys, no, you can promote yourself. You have the second career dito. You can receive this SMD watch, a Rolex inspired watch. Then, if you're a millionaire earner, you have this Sapphire, Ruby, Emerald, etc. No? Then, a car. So, ang hindi ko pa nakuha dito is itong number 46 and number 47 na free car at free Rolex na totoo. No? Kasi kating number 44, Rolex inspired lang siya. Pero number 46, Rolex na totoo talaga. And we have this free healthcare coverage, free health card kapag active ka na broker. And a lot more. So, hindi ko na lang isa-isahin, guys, no? Kasi ang dami-dami niya talaga. So, we have more than 60 benefit po. Now, again, our campaign is to educate 30 million Filipinos by year 2030. For those who are first-timers na nag-attend, you are i-enroll ka na namin dito kahit walang bayad kasi free naman ito. Free naman tong education natin. And, kasi nag-attend ka sa education natin ngayon or financial education seminar, makakatanggap ka ng free 20,000 personal accidental insurance. So kami pa yung namigay ng free financial education, mamibigay pa kami ng free 20,000 personal accidental insurance valid for 1 year. If you like your friends and family members to receive this free accidental insurance, then bring them dito sa webinar namin. So sabi nga na kanina, meron daw mga scam. Sabi ko, how can sir it happen na ng scam ako na ini-invite lang mantikaw sa pag-attend ng financial education? Tapos bibigyan pa kita ng 20,000 personal accidental insurance. Ako ang nagbigay ng free edukasyon, free accidental insurance. Sino ang na-scam? Ako o kayo? O, di ba guys? So, join our IMG community and our campaign. Then, of course, ito po yung mga membership benefit na pwede nyo magustuhan. Siguro gusto nyo po yung copy sa The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future book. Mag-attend ka ng free financial workshop kasi meron pang workshop. Learn about healthcare for your family, mutual funds, life insurance, no, lahat-lahat. Lahat po ng ito ay benefit mo kapag member ka ng IMG. Now, if you are first-timer, hihingin ko po ito, i-type ko po ito sa chat box. I-fill in mo ito, guys, and i-submit mo ulit. Kasi ito po yung kailangan natin for you to receive the 20,000 personal accident insurance. Don't worry because this is free. Wala pong bayad. So, International Marketing Group is one of the few companies of its kind in the industry today, a company which caters to the financial needs of every individual and families wish to attain financial independence. Okay? That ends my talk, guys, no? And if you have question, I'll start answering your questions at this time po. Okay? So, I will end na po the recording. Maraming salamat.